it's okay. No, you're not. Did you hear it? He's like, what's that noise? Oh, it's Trevor.
I'm trying to punch it.
You should do that. It's like,
a lot easier
you
when
make
it
a
was
lot of
wet.
videos. Oh, it's Trevor. It's Trevor.
Oh my god.
What is that strange sound? It's Trevor.
It's like, where's Waldo? Where's that strange sound coming from? It's Trevor!
Who's that strange? We need to make a theme song. You're like, hey, it's Trevor. Instead of Franklin. No. Who's that? Who's that skirt?
It's a lot less noisier.
Who's that kid's name?
Oh, they have like a frame for the TV. See?
Yeah.
Last time this was plugged in, it was wet.
Come here, Hunter. Come here, Hunter.
Just kidding. Guys, productivity. Okay. Come on. To work. Let me take it out.
Come on, guys, we got the debrief.
Okay.
Come on, Trevor even.
That's Kelly.
We're debriefing.
That's Audrey.
That is not smart.
That's Rose. That's Hunter.
That was not
And that's
smart.
Hannah.
How do you like to do digs? All right.
Goodbye.